Morning to all. This is Ananya of class 10th B from SD Sarvikari Vidya Mandir Talwada of Kishore verg. Today I am here in front of you with topic uses of Vedic mathematics methods in arithmetic. Now, as you can see the topic, it's Vedic mathematics. There are many tips and tricks to solve a particular sum. Vedic mathematics is collection of techniques to solve mathematical arithmetics in easy and faster way. It contains 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras which can be used for problems involved in arithmetic. Now, a question arises that why is it called Vedic? So, Vedic comes from Vedas, which means the fountainhead of all knowledge. Also because the sources of sutras were found in ancient Vedic text. According to the Supreme Court of India, Vedic means time factor. Vedic maths is secular, which means anyone from anywhere in the world can practice it and take advantage of its result. Now, the conclusion of above points. Vedic religion, also called Vedism, the religion of ancient Indo-European speaking people who entered India about 1500 BC from region of present-day Iran, and it takes its name from collection of various texts known as Vedas. Now we should also be known by advantages of Vedic mathematics. So, it helps a person to solve problems 10 to 15 times faster. It reduces burden and there is only need to learn tables up to 9. It provides one-line answer. It is a magical tool to reduce scratch work and finger counting, as this is the main problem for students related to mathematics. It increases concentration, memory and focus. Time saved can be used to answer more questions. Logical thinking process gets enhanced. Mainly, we can say that it promotes mental calculation. It gives students a better understanding of mathematics, Vedic math, improve spiritual side of child's personality. It simplifies multiplication, divisibility, complex number, square, auxiliary fractions can be handled by Vedic maths. Now, we should be known by 16 sutras with their meanings. First of all, Ekadhikain Purvain, which means by one more than the one another. Nikhilam Navtah Charnam Dashtah, all from 9 and the last from 10. Ladharv Tirgbhyam, vertically and crosswise. Parvartya Yojain, transpose and apply. Shunya Samya Samuchya, if the Samuchya is the same, it is 0. Anurupyan Shunya Ananta, if one is in ratio, the other is 0. Sankalan Vyavakalan Abhyam, by addition and by subtraction. Purna Purnabhyam, by the completion or non-completion. Chalan Kalanabhyam, differential calculus. Yavdun, by the deficiency. Vyashti Smashti, specific and journal. Sheshaden Charmain, which means the remainders by the last digit. Sopanyatamayan, the ultimate and twice the penalty. Ekanyunen Purvain, by one less than the one before. Gunit Samuchya, the product of the sum. Gunit Samuchya, all the multipliers. Now, we got to know about the names of 16 sutras. So, begin ahead with uses of Vedic mathematics. You can see that in the slide now comes uses of Vedic mathematics. If there is question in anybody's mind that is Vedic mathematics really useful? So, the answer will be yes, of course. Vedic maths is finding its way into academic curriculum in India. Here is the slide. We are talking about uses of Vedic mathematics in school. So the uses can be in graphs, in division, in linear, subtraction, multiplication, calculus, fractions, states, numbers, ratios, logic and addition. So it is very useful for teachers and students to learn easily. Next come. Now we can talk about some comparisons. We should try to do some comparisons between modern methods and Vedic methods. As you can see, in modern methods, It's too time consuming and lengthy. But in Vedic method, we use sutra which is named Ekadikein Purvein. So in a modern method, you can see it's too long, but in Vedic mathematics, the answer is in immediate way. So here we can how to understand this sutra. First of all, we have to multiply 5 with 5, which means unit digits, and then we get 25. Then write it here. Then multiply the previous digit 6 by one more than itself, that is 7. So 7 6 are 42. The answer is 4225. That's it. One point that is necessary for Ekadikein Purvein Sutra, that is when we add unit place, then their sum should be 10 and tens place digit should be similar. Now we have also one more sutra, that is Ekanyunein Purvein. We can take an example, that is 76 into 99999. So it's too difficult to do this, but first of all we have to subtract 76 with 1, that is 75. Then we have to make a number with the whole, that is 75, and again 99999. And at last we have to subtract 75 with that given number. So the answer is 7599924. And it's so easy to do with Vedic mathematics. That is generally graded by children. And at last, I would like to advise all my friends that we should learn Vedic mathematics. And of course, we should use it in our day-to-day life. This will help us all in fast communication and calculation. So, thank you all.